YouTube. Today I'm showing you the belt is squeak or something wrong with the belt. Anytime you hear the belt is squeaking, the best way to check, put some kind of spray on it, or you can pour some water on it. The belt stops squeaking, it means the belt is no good. You need to replace the belt. But if belt still squeaking, it's spray on, that means some of the pulley is going to be seized, the bearing's bad. Either you have to take the belt out and spin all the pulleys with your hand, or get something like this. It's kind of telescope. You have to put it in your ears and check like this. Here, right here, here, so you can tell which pulley is bad. Sometimes see the new belt are broken, and people change the belt, and a couple days later the belt broke again. That means something is seized. Some pulley is seized, or either water pump or alternator is going to be seized. So make sure when you put it on a belt, or belt is broken, check it out, all the pulleys is freely moved. If not, replace that part. Thank you for watching.